That's been a kind of a revolution within the breed or not breed, whatever you call it.
At the beginning of the breed, the Poodle are Parti-color, and after the breeders select only unicolor Poodle.
If I was younger, maybe it would be a challenge to take on, because the Parti-colors, I don't think quite right now have got the quality that this whole colours have.
But for me, it's a joke.
As a sight-hunt person, somehow Group 9 is far away from me, and I'm sad to tell you, but if maybe it will be the last group to finish Group 9.
A lot of years to wait until grow all his coat. He has 5 years old.
This is just amazing. It's a world of show.
Jó napot kívánok!
És mit ünnepelünk ma?
Ma a világkiállításon a világ uszkárosai gyűlnek itt össze, és azt ünnepeljük, hogy az összes magyar uszkáros eljött ma ide hozzánk, kocintottunk egyet eredménytől függetlenül, szeretnénk ezt hagyománnyá alakítani, hogy amikor ilyen nagy rendezvény van, akkor tudjunk egyet beszélgetni, egyet kocintani, eredménytől függetlenül.
What's about Poodles, Parti-color Poodles?
That's been a kind of a revolution within the breed or not breed, whatever you call it. Actually, I started in the FCI 30 years ago in '94, and I think I've heard about these Parti-color Poodles for the last 25 years at least, where the French Kennel Club was rather against it. They didn't want that variety to be called Poodle. They could be called Harlequin dog or Chien Parti-color or whatever you call it. They recognized it as a separate breed. And then for whatever reason, and these reasons belong to themselves, they have asked us to include this breed as a variety into the standard of the Poodle. We knew that it would be kind of a revolution, so we have wanted to discuss all different points: breeding perspective, scientific perspective, phenotype perspective, and we have discussed with our breeding commission, scientific commission. We have of course discussed with our French member, the Société Centrale Canine, because they are the owner of the standard, so they are the only one to be able to ask for change in the standard or addition or whatever. And after 1.5 years of meetings and talks, etc., we have decided that traditionally we follow the opinion of the country of origin. And in this case, we have discussed that along because we knew we were going to make some kind of revolution. We wanted to be sure that we were taking the good decision. And after long talks with the French, we finally decided to include this Parti-color or multicolor or whatever you call it, other colors. They call it other colors, the French, in the standard, and we have approved it about 1 month ago.
And these Parti-color poodles are already so lucky because they can become their own tzatzip. For example, red poodle and silver poodle, they go together to the ring and only one can become tzatzip. And Parti-color poodles are new but already so lucky.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we have to talk about to be lucky or unlucky. It's just that we had to do something with this new variety that we have accepted, that we were asked to accept by the French Kennel Club. And we also had to combine this with also requests from the French Kennel Club about how to distribute the CACIB. The FCI has the final word on how the CACIB is given. What we have wanted to do first, even before we talk about this new variety, we have wanted to give a little bit more possibility to the breeders of toy poodle. And instead of having only one tzatzip for the 5 color, we have divided into 2, just like the other sizes. So we have now, in toy, we now have black, brown and white, one tzatzip. We have fawn and silver, one tzatzip, and we have other colors, one tzatzip. So, I mean, the thing is that there are more and more toy poodles.
It's silver and red poodle are different breeds. We even cannot breed them together. But in the dog show, we are together. It's a question to the French club. Who is the president now?
Of the French Kennel Club? No, of the French Kennel Club, it's Mr. Alexandre Balzer.
Poodle.
Poodle is Mr. Dupin, Jean-Jacques Dupin. He will probably have more insight about the question than I do, and I would really recommend that you turn to them, because we don't know everything that happens internally, and we just get the request from these clubs at the end of the chain, and we try to make the best solution possible in the interest of everyone.
But first breeders go to the president of Poodle Club, French Poodle Club, and if he thinks this idea is good, then he goes to FCI.
Yeah, that's the way it works. And we imagine that we can't imagine that the French just woke up, the French Kennel Club, they just woke up one day and they said, oh, we are going to add one variety. They probably had requests from their breeders, they had discussions with their breeders, and after probably thinking about it and giving it a long debate, they probably decided to turn to the FCI and make it official.
There are 2 different breeds, red and silver. We even cannot breed them together. No. Maybe there will be separate tzatzip for red poodles and separate for silver, or there are not enough of poodles to make it?
No. It's not us who decide for the CACIB. It's FCI who decide. Okay. So
excuse me, I already spoke with FCI, and they said if you will propose it to FCI, they will think about it.
I think we have enough CACIB for the poodle. In August, we have CACIB for the toy in the same. So one CACIB for the black, white and brown, one CACIB for the fawn and silver, and one CACIB for the other colors. And I think it's enough. Okay, it's enough. But in France, we refuse. They married the color together.
Which colors?
It's not possible to marry a fawn with a black. It's not possible. Everywhere in the world, they mixed all the color. It's because the reason why we have so many pluricolor poodle. In France, we don't mix color. It's forbidden.
How it appeared red?
At the beginning, the president of the club refused the red. Okay? And I was vice president, and we managed to recognize the red. Okay?
When was it?
12 years ago.
And what do you think about grooming? Will you accept some other kind of grooming? Because this is dog show and poodle can have different grooming.
No. Grooming for me, yes, it's a presentation. But most important, a good judge should know the dog construction rather than grooming. Grooming, for me, I'm a groomer too. I know how to cheat. I know how to cheat a judge to overlook the fault of the dogs, right? But it doesn't. Yeah, it's true.
It's possible.
Yeah, that's the way. That is the game. Good fun. But I'm a groomer. That's why I can feel the dog. The most important is the dog construction rather than just presentation.
Здравствуйте.
Поздравляю вас с юным чемпионом мира.
Спасибо. Да, мы сегодня молодцы, мы сегодня победили.
Но для нас еще вы легендарная личность, потому что это какой чемпионат мира уже по счету?
С 98-го года, значит, 26 лет, практически каждый год я приезжаю на чемпионат мира. Когда-то с собаками со своими, когда-то просто посмотреть, 26 лет.
И сколько из них со своей собакой или с собакой клиента вы победили?
Со своими собаками у меня 17 чемпионов мира моего разведения, 15 Европы и, наверное, к 30 все вместе это с клиентскими.
А как так получилось, что на чемпионате мира в Женеве ваша собачка не победила? Почему?
Потому что она не попала в ринг, мы туда не успели.
Как?
Так получилось, что совпадают ринги в нашей породе. Но мы этот урок усвоили, прошли. Обучение у нас всегда платное. Теперь мы знаем, что нужно либо как-то на кого-то рассчитывать или, наверное, брать одну разновидность. В общем, мы ушли в этом году. Мы везде успели.
А как успеть подготовить собаку, пуделя, к чемпионату мира? Как вы понимаете, во-первых, что собака уже готова участвовать, и дальше уход за шерстью? Это сколько месяцев четкой подготовки по шерсти?
Собака должна быть определенного качества. То есть я честно говорю владельцам, какую собаку имеет смысл вести на чемпионат мира. Кого-то можно повозить по международным выставкам, а кого-то дальше страны, в общем-то, не нужно. Я считаю, что это честно по отношению к владельцам, которые затрачивают максимум усилий и ресурсов своих на выставки. А относительно шерсти, с детства, и мы отращиваем ее с детства, каждую неделю моем, и к 1,5 годам у нас уже формируется красивая стрижка у собаки.
Пудель, он же не сразу будет в гриве, именно сколько времени, чтобы отрастить гриву?
Отрастить гриву зависит от размера.
Королевский пудель сегодня.
Это долго.
Сколько?
Это долго, я думаю, что 2,5 года, чтобы была красивая грива. Опять же, от размера зависит. То есть, если это той, и в 1,5 года мы можем уже иметь красивую собаку с полной гривой. Но 1,5 года для стандарта это мало, там нужно все-таки побольше времени по размеру.
И 2,5 года это уход каждый, насколько регулярный уход?
В среднем раз в неделю, приходится заниматься шерстью. Если вы хотите попасть на чемпионат мира, вы должны быть в красивом платье, как на бал.
We spoke how long does it take for dog to be ready for the World Dog Show, and how long does it take for judge? I mean, for example, best in show judge. Not in World Dog Show, anywhere. How long, how many years does it take to be ready to judge in best in show?
The whole life. Since I was young, and my colleagues also, we are doggy persons and we are learning since 6-7 years. So this is one progress, this is one process, and we are learning each day. And to be judge and to be good judge and to judge worldwide, you have to have experience, knowledge, and I have to tell you, it's not easy to be a judge. You have to take care about 1,000 things, and everybody think that it's so good, or you are judging, you are telling which one is first, second, third. No, a hard job, a lot of work, and many years of learning behind each judge. But I am sure that each judge, the night before the show, or the day before show, or the days before the show, we are used to stud standards and to read or to ask even from colleagues what is the biggest problem in some breeds. So it's hard job, and as I told you, show committee, they send you invitation. Sometimes they ask what's your favorite breed, what do you have, what do you prefer to judge, but usually they give you the breeds.
And what breed is near to you?
I came from Sighthounds, and I love to judge Sighthounds, so each breed from group 10 is very close to me, and I love to judge. And really, it's good feeling, you know, when you are enjoying judge, you are in this breed, or and you enjoy judging. And my heart is beating harder or faster when I see the wonderful dog. You know, it's feeling that a lot of judges are judging because of that feeling. When you see beautiful dog is coming to your ring, your heart is beating faster.
And you never judge 9th group. Don't you have a plan to study and to start to judge beautiful poodles?
Maybe you don't know, but I had a poodle litter when I lived in Serbia. I had a litter of toy white poodle. So I have in my so in my family I have experience with poodles, but you know, as a Sighthound person, somehow group 9 is far away from me, and I'm sad to tell you, but if maybe it will be the last group to finish group 9.
But
So
you will start.
early or later, I think I will do it. Yes.
Waiting for this moment. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
How long does it take to prepare a dog for the dog show?
A lot of hours. We have to wash him, I think 3 hours to prepare the coat. And the fur cut, make the top knot is around 5 hours. So a lot of work here.
Are you handler or he's your own dog?
It's our dog. Yes, it's one member of family. We are so happy. Venimos desde España, estamos muy contentos de este resultado, la verdad que no nos esperábamos y estamos súper felices de ello. La verdad que es un perro muy especial en la familia y para nosotros ha sido como una sorpresa porque no lo esperábamos, así que estamos muy contentos.
Thank you very much. Thank you.